Is that you?
Nah.
Well, why didn't you yell for help?
Well, I tried squealing, but I'm still broken. No one could hear me. Besides, the dust aggravates my condition. What's the point in prolonging the inevitable? We're all just coming from here to there.
That critter needs help! Yeah!
Coming.
I got a boner! I got a boner!
Hey, what you doing way up here?
I thought I'd get one last before I get packed away again.
Look, Jesse, I know you hate me for leaving, but I have to go back. I'm still Andy's toy. Well, if you knew him, you'd understand. You see, Andy's
Let me guess. Andy's a real special kid. And to him, you're his buddy, his best friend. And when Andy plays with you, it's like, even though you're not moving, you feel like you're alive.
How did you know that?
Because Emily was just the same. She was my whole world.
When somebody loves you.
So if you're not a fan of the words, click off of the video. Because those are going to come up like 50 times in here, man.